Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rozi. As you can see, this is the MIUI ROM. As you can see, this is the status bar of this ROM. Default status bar installed. This is the default theme. So let's have the specification. Excel info. As you can see, this is the Excel 12.0.3 version MIUI stable version. This is the stable version for Redmi 5 only. Here you will get the Android version 10 in this ROM and security patch. As you can see, this is the 1 January security patch, old security patch. So basically this is the port ROM for Redmi 5 Rozi, and for Lite kernel is installed in this ROM version 3.18.140. So available storage is 1.98 GB storage, as because I have installed PUBG, Call of Duty. I will test both of the ROMs. I will test both of the games in this ROM. We will check the BGMI, Call of Duty, so don't worry. We will also check the 3D benchmark and 3D mark test also. So here you can see this is the setting of this ROM. Basically this is the new settings, new theme installed in this ROM, and here is the control center. You will get the new version control center, and here are the few applications installed in this ROM. If I talk about the always on display is not working in this ROM. As you can see, it is always on display is turned on right now, as you can see, but it is not working. So there is problem in the always on display. Always on display is not working. So now let's check other features. Double tap to wake is working. Double tap fingerprint sensor to wake is also working perfectly fine. This ROM is working perfect. Many of the features are working perfectly in this ROM, and lock screen format is also working perfectly. And let's check the security and privacy. Let's check the fingerprint at the face unlock of this ROM. Let's check whether the face unlock is working or not, fingerprint working or not. How fast is the fingerprint, is it lightning fast or not. Fingerprint is working perfectly fine. You can easily add the fingerprint without any problem. You can change the setting color also, so don't worry. Tap open. Fingerprint speed is lightning fast, so don't worry, you will not face any problem while using the fingerprint. Vibration is not working in the fingerprint when you unlock a device, because it is turned off. And let's check the other face unlock also. Let me apply the face unlock. So now let's check the face unlock of this ROM. Is face unlock working perfectly or not. I have applied the face unlock. Face unlock is also working perfectly in this ROM. There is no problem in the face unlock. You will not feel any problem or lag in the face unlock while using the face unlock and the fingerprint, so don't worry. If you face any problem or bug in this ROM, you can comment down below. If any solution is provided by the developer or any fix is available, I will surely help you. And let's add the display. Ready mode is not working in this ROM. Let me show you that the ready mode is not working. As you can see, it is not working in this ROM. Color scheme is working. DP, you have to change the DP. First you will get something 310 to 306. You have to change it to 392. And here is the status bar. All the features are same in this ROM. Everything is working perfectly. And full screen display, you can use the gestures also if you want. Sound is also working perfectly in this ROM. So there is sound is little bit low right now. It is full, but I feel that the sound is little bit low while using. Vibration is working perfectly. Tap sound is also working. Battery performance is good in this ROM, so there is no problem in the battery performance. There is no sudden drop in the battery performance, but there is heating while using the ROM and while charging the ROM. As you can see, charging light is also working perfectly fine in this ROM. As you can see, you can easily detect your device in the PC also. As you can see, charge your device, transfer file, you can use it used for the transfer of the file also if you want. Let's check the screen time, if the screen time is available or not. Agree. 54 minutes use, as you can see. Tools. So now let's check the recorder, if the recorder is working perfectly or not. So screen record, it is working perfectly. Mic is working perfectly. Volt is working perfectly. There is no problem. As you can see, volt is working. HO, as you can see. Call is working, mic is working. Call, you can easily call someone, you can receive the call also, so don't worry. Magis is already installed in this ROM. I have not installed. And let's check the screen recorder, if it is working or not. Flash is also working perfectly in this ROM. Screen recorder is also working perfectly. There is no problem, and the mic is also working. So here is the gallery. Let's check. Here you can see, you will get the video. Here is the video. You will not able to play. You have to download another Play Store application or MX Player to play the videos. Let's set the safety net. As you can see, safety net is passed in this ROM. Even the Magis manager is installed in this ROM. As you can see, Magis manager is already installed in this ROM, but it is not working. You have to finish the setup, download and install. It is not downloaded, but the application is installed in this ROM. And bubble notification is also working, floating notification, floating window. And let's check the Antutu 3D benchmark test is not completing in this ROM. If there is any bug in this ROM, I will write down in the description, so you must check the description. Reading mode is the bug. AOD reading mode, I found two bugs. And here is the 40.7 degree increase in the temperature. You will get the 42-43 degree temperature while you are charging your device idle charge. It is not working, and Antutu benchmark is not working. So let's check the 3D benchmark also. 3D mark, sorry, here is the 3D mark. 3D mark is working perfectly in this ROM, so don't worry. I have tested my results for 435. Let's check the other Xiaomi Redmi 5 devices. 23% better than another Xiaomi Redmi 5 devices. 13% with all the other devices. So these all are the features. All the features are working perfectly, while there are few applications, few features that are not working. So you can check it according to your use if you want. And here is the control center light is working perfectly, everything is working perfectly. Wi-Fi is also, hotspot is also working perfectly fine. Bluetooth is also working. So if you want to use this ROM for daily usage, not for longer duration, but you can use and try it if you want. Let's check the BGMI first, then we will check the Call of Duty performance. If I talk about the gaming performance in this ROM, gaming performance is very poor in this ROM. Call of Duty lags a lot. It is not good for gaming. Call of Duty lags a lot, and it comes back to the home screen after I start the game. It comes back to the home screen. It does not start. So I don't recommend this ROM for gaming. If you are a gamer, so don't install this ROM. If you want to use this ROM for daily usage, or if you want to try the MIUI latest version, you can try it. But this ROM hits a lot while gaming. If you play the PUBG in Call of Duty, it hits a lot. So I don't recommend this ROM. So let's check the gaming performance also. So as you can see, it comes back to the home screen. I have tested this 5 times. It comes back to a home screen. This ROM is not good for gaming. I don't recommend. PUBG performance is very poor. Call of Duty performance is also very poor. I thought that the performance will be good in this ROM after few updates, but the performance is very poor in this ROM, so I don't recommend. If you want to try, you can try it according to your use. You can change the kernel also if you want. So if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.